This is 100% Samsung's fault. 100%. Android 17 could force developers to optimize apps for foldable phones and tablets. The reason why this has not happened already, and it has happened to a certain degree, there are a lot of applications that are optimized for foldable tablets and foldable phones. But Samsung fumbling the ball and constantly not innovating and not, really causing more people to want to buy foldable phones because it's the same thing every year with them. It's caused this stalemate in developers creating apps that work also with foldable phones and tablets. If you're a developer, what you're looking at is one major thing. If I create a product, if I create an application, what is the majority of the people using my application? Are they going to use it on a foldable phone, on a tablet, or a cell phone, candy bar cell phone? And I would say at least right now, especially the last couple of years as well, 97% of those answers would have been a candy bar cell phone. And it is Samsung's fault because Samsung didn't push the envelope. They didn't create, they didn't innovate and create these amazing cell phones, foldable cell phones. I love the Z Fold 7 or Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4. I love them all. But the average consumer looks at them and say, $1,800, not really much there. And because Samsung fumbled the ball there, that's why these companies, they're looking at it saying, time, money, am I getting the result back by using the manpower to create or optimize these for foldable cell phones? Probably not. Probably not. So they're not going to do it because there's no reason for them to do it. But now with OnePlus Open 2 coming out and the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, now they have to, because Google and OnePlus finally got this market back. They grew this market back, and now we're about to see a lot more people with foldable cell phones. And this industry as a whole is going to be moved forward. Now, it's not just Samsung's fault. In general, the fact that there's more people getting foldable cell phones and foldable tablets and just technology being out there more means that there will be more people or more developers who have to create apps that optimize for both, right? Technology improves, technology actually gets released, and you're going to have to. But if Samsung was, doing great the last couple years and they weren't just stalemating it and taking their joyride that nobody else is competing with them, this would be a lot different of a situation. And I feel like this would have been kind of forced upon app developers a long time ago. Foldable tablets, foldable laptops, that's really where this is starting to really get pushed as well. Again, I can't blame it all on Samsung, but it's one of those situations where now that you have so many competitors in the market, you're going to start seeing this regularly. And this is a huge W. This is actually a huge W because the amount of applications I try to use, like third-party applications, obviously the main applications work, optimized for most foldable cell phones. Z Fold, really good at it, by the way. I will give Samsung a lot of credit because a lot of applications are optimized for the Z Fold series phones. The Pixel series, it got a lot better with the 9 Pro Fold. OnePlus, it's still getting there, but actually, I'd say now OnePlus is just as good. OnePlus is just as good as Google, but it's still not perfect. And newer applications that come out, they're not optimized right away. Because again, companies, they look at it. It's like return to how much manpower and time I'm putting into it. What is my audience base? My audience base are candy bar cell phones. So if I have a 99.9% candy bar cell phones and 0.01% foldable cell phones, I'm not optimizing and spending the time and resources to get that 0.01%. Because even if I optimize it, what if it doesn't work? And there's so many different foldable cell phones. What if this foldable cell phone doesn't work with it? Then I just wasted time and energy. Samsung, I know you're taking a step back right now and Google and OnePlus are going to take over. Get your crap together. Come on. Let's move forward in the correct direction.